It is Wine Down Wednesday, brought to you by the Sarasota-Manatee Originals, and we're happy to be in our Rice's Appliance kitchen with head chef Paulo from Cafe Gabbiano. Great to see you, chef.
Yes.
All right, what are we making today?
All right, today we're going to make a classic Italian seafood dish, Linguini Pescatore. So we start down with a little bit extra virgin olive oil, and then we roast a little bit some garlic.
Yes.
And then we go right in with some fresh calamari.
So pescatore is, I'm imagining,
It's like
seafood, right?
Right, yeah. Pescatore Italian means, you know, the fisherman, you know.
Gotcha.
So they got fresh clams here.
Is there a reason why you didn't chop the garlic? Or you just put them in whole?
Because in case, you know, we can take it out. You see peas, if you don't like, you can remove easily.
Oh, okay.
That's a little trick, but, you know, we usually do that because, you know, now some people like to see, some people like to eat. You never know.
Right.
So you have a lot of great seafood options. Just give us a quick review of what went in there.
So we have mussels, clams, calamari, and shrimp with garlic and olive oil. We light seasoning with fresh black pepper and a little bit of salt.
Oh, wow.
And then a little bit Italian herbs like Italian parsley.
Oh, yeah.
And this also is a dish, can be red, white, but today we choose between. We do rosé, just a little bit cherry tomato. Because if you like white, you just add white wine. If you like red, you can add the tomato sauce or marinara. But we like just, you know, rosé. Because when you have fresh seafood, you don't need that much, and you don't want to overpower the dish.
You want to taste all of them.
All the other flavor.
You gave us a nice compromise there with the white wine and the tomatoes.
Now
right?
we have some fresh homemade linguini. We just boil a little bit for a few minutes.
Which you make, which people should
Yes, tell
know.
us a little bit about
Yes.
We make all in-house linguini, spaghetti. We have fresh ravioli, lobster, Vuko, truffle saccottini, gnocchi. Yeah. And then, you know, for also now for Mother's Day, we have a special menu. We're gonna have fresh lobster in-house. We're gonna do villo Buko, and it's all, you know, accompanied with great wine to finish.
Yeah, so Mother's Day is coming up faster than we think. So you have a nice special that whole day?
We, you know, we celebrate mom. So, you know, we do all our master dish reunited in one menu, plus the special. So, you know, it's going to be a great night. And, you know, celebrate mom.
With
They're like Italians, celebrate mom's
in
the
Italian
best.
way.
Yes, give mom a nice seafood pasta dinner. All right, talk to us about the homemade pasta and a little lesson for us about we don't want to overcook homemade pasta, right? How long?
Right. The homemade pasta, it just need to be cooked, you know, and keep al dente. It's different than usually the other pasta because it's just flour, eggs, a little bit salt. So you want to taste the richness of the flour, you know, the pasta.
Yeah.
So you don't want to overcook and get too blendy, mushy. I mean, then of course, if you like, we can always adjust. But either the ravioli, you know, you want to just boil, soft, keep, and, you know, right finish in the sauce.
Listen, if you're telling me how Italian pasta should be cooked, I'm going to listen. I'm not going to argue with you.
I will tell you, Dave and I had a date night there the other night, and the piece of sea bass that we had was hands down the best piece of sea bass I've had. I would safely say in the last decade that I've had. I'm not kidding.
Flavor.
It's true. She wanted to text me and tell me about it.
I did. I texted Tina. I was like 10 on 10 at Cafe Gabbiano last night.
Yes.
What are some of your other, this is an amazing dish on the menu, of course. What are some of your other favorites that have stayed on your menu?
Well, we have a fresh steak. We have imported, you know, from Chicago, Allen Brother. We have a veal chop, 14 ounce. We also have a veal scallopini, you know, the veal top round we pounded.
Yes.
And that
with
wine
mushroom
cellar.
marsala
That
sauce.
wine cellar is
incredible.
something else.
Yeah.
All right,
it's
well,
very
we are
unique.
coming up on, we're in our final minute here. This is smelling amazing. You can, of course, try this at Cafe Gabbiano. And keep in mind, with Mother's Day, make reservations now, because the options, they're going to be filling up as we get closer. Great treat for mom. Even if you're not a mom, take me to Cafe Gabbiano. You can learn more.
I am a mom.
menu at cafegabbiano.com, located on Siesta Key. And it does not get any fresher than this. Amazing seafood. Fresh Italian homemade pasta.
Yummy,
This
yummy.
is the way to go. Wine Down Wednesday is the way to go, folks. Thanks again, of course, to the Sarasota-Manatee original.
Yes, this
for
looks
Wine Down
awesome, Chef.
Wednesday. Cheers, ladies.
Chef.
We just add a
Cheers,
little
yes,
bit olive oil.
All right, we'll be right back. Stay with us.